Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So just walking around the yard, seeing what's all out here, what's going on, and I just wanted to say how thankful we are for all of our followers, and then especially all our Grand Design owners. We got 3 Grand Design dealers that are local to us, so we get a lot of customers from them. But I want to kind of give you a share. This is just an average day, you know. So here's a Grand Design. Imagine in the background over there. There's a reflection. There's another reflection. And then there's a Solitude. I have to start picking on my Alliance customers and my Cougar, my Keystone customers, because there's not very many in here right now. There's another Solitude here. Oh, there is a Montana here. There's another Solitude over there. There's an Alliance, get some frame cracks. Inside the bay, there's another Imagine Aim. There's another reflection over there. There's another Solitude over there. There's another reflection over there. And there's a Bighorn. There's a Cougar. There's an Alliance. There's a Solitude. Another Solitude. There's a Newmar. There's a reflection. There's another reflection. There's an Outdoors RV. So hey, you outdoor RV guys, where are you at? We know you're out there. We have a group for you too. So make sure, if you haven't checked out all of our different Facebook groups and platforms, that we ask you to do so. We share your stuff that you're doing repairs on, upgrades, tips, problems, so we can see them and we can help out too. Helps out our whole industry. Here's another Grand Design Momentum. There's another Grand Design Imagine. So that's basically it in a nutshell. There's 4 units over inside the building over there getting worked on. Sometimes we'll put some small ones over here. Sometimes we'll stick some around the back of the building on the opposite side, fits 3 or 4 over there, and go from there. But anyways, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. I'm going to try to start doing some more videos for, you know, education. If there's some stuff that you would like to see, let me know, and I'll try to reply back to it. But I'm just, you know, it's always off the cuff. We're not rehearsed or whatever. I'm not microphoning it. I'm not planning it. It's just I come out and see what's going on in my shop, see what my guys are working on, you know, see problems, and it's just documenting it down. So if you heard me discuss why I do it and stuff in the past on other videos, and it's so I can leave memories for my kids and grandkids and all that kind of fun stuff. So, but hey, thanks so much for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Hope you enjoy these, and if you didn't get to see me, I'm Dustin. All right, thanks again for watching.